Thanks, man. Coming. What's up, you guys? Forrest here with the FoCo Show. We are here at the Riveter for the first time while we're here in North Carolina, Memorial Day weekend. We're going to take a shot with 6-year-old Haven, 8-year-old Forrest, and of course me. We're going to work on some jumps. We're going to flow. We're going to progress on some awesome jump and flow lines here in Fletcher, North Carolina, right out of Pisgah National Forest. So I hope you learn a lot from this video like we did. And if you're ever here, you can get out there and find that flow. In case you're not familiar, the Riveter is an adventure experience fitness facility located in Fletcher, North Carolina. Opened about a year ago, and it features an absolute awesome experience for biking, pump track, progressive flow trail. You have this awesome indoor facility. The staff is super inviting and welcoming. They've got an entire huge indoor rock climbing facility, a small fitness studio where you can work out and train. They do yoga upstairs. You can get drinks at the bar, and then this incredible awning covered progressive flowy pump track where people of skills of all ages can come and enjoy and get better at jumping. Of course, this is our interest for the Flow Show, where we came together with my daughter, 6 years old, and my son, who is 8, to check out what type of riding that we could do while we were here on the pump track, and then out to the progressive, albeit somewhat short, downhill runs right next door. Once you are done getting all set up and your bike's rented if you need it, like we did for my daughter here, we can go and check out the indoor-outdoor pump track on the awning covered area, and then out to the progressive jump lines. For this trip, I did the greens and the blues, but without anybody to tow me into the blacks, it was best to keep it safe. So let's hop into the footage here to get a feel for what it is like when you're along for the ride. So just warm up on this little one. Go. Go ahead, hey. Just follow Forrest. Oh, we gotta raise your seat. Keep going. No. Why did you go in the grass? Pedal back up here.
So after spending quite a bit of time on the BMX style pump track, I realized the Ibis Ritmo V2 is not exactly the best BMX jump bike, and I'm not a great BMX jumper anyway, so we took our skills and talents over to the progressive jump line, starting here on the green trail to take some flow down, have some fun. Great for Haven and Forest, but here's a quick rundown.
Shift down to harder gear. The other way. Pedal, pedal. There you go. All right, come off of your seat, off the seat, and then let go of the brakes and just lean, lean. There you go. Good job. You gotta lean. Good girl. Now pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal hard. Come off the seat, off the seat. That's it, good girl. No, no, not brake. Stop hitting the brakes when you're pedaling, baby. Good job. And then pedal hard up these and down these. Pedal hard. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Good girl. Hard. Pedal hard, Haven. Now this one's even harder. Pedal hard, pedal hard. All right, last one. Hard pedal. Good girl. Good job, honey.
It's worth mentioning that the flow trails are not designed to be 2, 3, 4 minute downhill runs like you're used to at a bike park or maybe over at Ridgeline and DuPont. The rides are short, 10 to 15 seconds. The beauty of it is super easy to shuttle. You got this super mellow climb back up to the top of the trailhead where you saw me just start, and then you can flow back down, get tons of reps and routes in green, blue, a black, and then a double black diamond big gap jump trail to get better and better at that trail. That translates right into the bike park and right into the flow and gnar that you're going to find in Pisgah.
Thanks, man. Coming. What's up? Are you done? Okay, do you want some water?
So after getting a few extra laps on the blue runs by myself, we decided to cruise on back and get some more BMX jumps in. In the end, there's just not enough awesome things I can say about the Riveter. It's fun for riders of all skill levels. It's definitely a little bit more BMX focused, but there's just great opportunity to progress. They do camps for kids, they've got training sessions, they've got so much energy going on. So if you're in the Pisgah National Forest area, Asheville, Fletcher, where this is located, Brevard, make sure that you swing by and check it out. Super fun, great way to get into some yoga or rock climbing, or of course the riding options that you have here. It's really one of the only locations, facilities of its kind in the US. Unless you know of something, let me know. I'd love to check them out when I'm in those areas, but I don't think there is. So it's a great opportunity to get out there in a new way and find that flow.